So in Horizon, I love my white family so much. Those white that are my fourth, fifth, and sixth cousins that have been acting on my behalf and making fake entities. That I love those white so much for Horizon that you bring in the 2-star general that's an ex-CIA agent, a graduate of Quantico, an FBI director, an OIG officer, and a UN police officer, and is also the Duke. You also contact the Duchess, a federal appellate judge with a JD that's a Super 8 attorney. You also contact the Earl and say 20-year retired police officer. And then love those white so much, so much. And that a nice Horizon case. Those ones that say for Alma, for our benefit, it was supposed to be medical and financial and free money, and we are so entitled to your breast can that we our openly feminine friends get to tell you the color of your feces in your underwear and ask if you're attracted to it in view of mental health because of sexuality. Instead of you being a confident and ally, it's better to tell you the color of your feces and ask if your balls are shaped. But those white, you're so loving to them that the federal magistrates that are the lovers, or what you call the family, the Baroness still lives, the Duchess, the Earl, the Duke, and the Baron. And this nice little naughty word called interim. I kind of knew in Breeze that you people, that they were doing this. I make promises that I keep. I a little hip here. Them a little more piss me off, though. I become one of the biggest this country ever gets. Love you, Daddy. Sorry, not supposed to say Father. Thank you for the judicial prudence. You mean with that, the Horizon and that, and then you ask the sports, you get to show where most of the $22 billion is missing out of their budget, our country, from the parliament that are related to you on behalf of Essex Property Man and the Essex Estates. Thinking Brock was, a word, because instead of dad figure and him telling you the exact date. Love those white, so much. Horizon.